Atatürk adam.
Korea. Where is Kim Jong-un?
Seni seviyorum Pınar. Pınar, duy bak. Seni seviyor. In Turkey they say, are you Muslim? No. And then they fight you. I am very sorry for that man. No problem. Şerefe kanka. Arkadaş. Arkadaş. Afiyet olsun. Afiyet olsun. Hoş geldin arkadaş. Burası kaldığımız hostel odasının içi. Ben şurada yatıyorum. Şurada birisi yatıyordu. Hiç adını bile anmak istemiyorum. Onunla ilgili anlatacağım size şeyler. Şimdi yukarıya çıkıyorum çünkü Japonya'dan gelmiş bir YouTuber var. Onu göstereceğim size. Adam durmadan kayıt alıyor. Merhaba. Selam kardeş. YouTuber from Japan.
Hello. No,
Hello.
Korea, South Korea.
Ah, South Korea.
Harry.
Okay, 감사합니다.
감사합니다.
안녕하세요.
안녕하세요.
Nice camera.
Yeah.
And I told him also, you can each guys now to Albania.
Welcome to Montenegro.
Ah, you are drinking rakı.
And already Wanderer Hostel, Wanderer Hostel said.
Cool.
They don't know.
Cheers.
Cheers. Lucky
Yeah.
You travel then as well?
Yeah.
Nice. Wow.
Just
traveling?
Just traveling. Yeah. Also, I'm working volunteer in Berkeley.
You film everything?
Not everything. I'm not filming like it. I'm filming very.
It's hard to
You guys
edit.
don't.
If you
Hard to
film
edit.
everything, it's like me. It's hard work.
So how often do you upload videos?
If I do my best, maximum 3 video in a week.
I upload every couple days. But today I couldn't upload because I spent all my day in the police station.
Oh, so you guys were in the same room as him?
Yeah. Unfortunately,
You guys, yeah.
we got the punishment.
That's so annoying. What the hell?
Hemen kısaca şu hırsızlık mevzusuna değinmek istiyorum. Kaldığımız hostel odasında bizimle birlikte kalan 34 yaşında Danimarkalı bir erkek vardı. O bizi hırsızlıkla suçladı. 80 euro parasının çalındığını söyledi. Polise gitti. Verdiği ifadede 380 euro parasının çalındığını söyleyerek ifadesini değiştirdi. Polis ona değil bize güvendi. Hostel sahibi de sağ olsun bizimle birlikte geldi. Bize çok yardımcı oldu. Ve polis o kişiye değil bize güvendi. O da zaten hostelden çıkartıldı.
Someone helped me on the street, you know, as I told you.
Oh, you promised them what?
Dinner.
Dinner?
Yeah.
Oh, that's nice. You could go into the old town and watch the sunset from like one of the restaurants up there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alone?
Hello? I thought you were going with your friend.
No, just for dinner. I promised him
Yeah?
just for dinner.
Okay.
Not sunset.
Oh. Okay. Well, I think there's a barbecue tonight here.
So what time?
I don't know.
8 I think. 8:30.
Every hotel is
Barbekü saat 8'de mi?
the same system.
Yeah, you just came from it.
Yeah, Wanderers.
Yeah. What did you do last night?
Eddie barbekü 8'de
Was
mi?
anything fun?
Again. What the fuck? Game nights, you know?
Game night.
Yerim
Oh.
mi?
Fuck you. Drink.
Yapacağız dedik.
Drink.
Kararlı adam.
The
Yapacak.
game name is fuck you.
Oh yeah?
Bu arada hostelde bir Türk daha kalıyor. İngiltere'den gelmiş.
It's weird. Crazy guys.
Korea. Where is Kim Jong-un?
Kim Jong-un is not.
Sorry, he's not your president, yeah?
You knew that.
I have to go. Hello.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello.
Everything
have
gets
some
better.
Bosnian.
I've had so much and it doesn't get better.
Yeah.
You're a full-time YouTuber, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can.
Yeah, just
17 comes.
Is there on $3?
$300 per month. That's enough.
Sometimes 280, sometimes 340.
Is it off of like subscribers or like from YouTube or like from YouTube?
Views.
From like view numbers and watch hours and also members. There are channel members.
Yeah.
Pay monthly like $3, $10.
Yeah.
Možda budemo pravili roštilj. Svi damo po 4 eura, neki držimo vaš, spremamo. Turkije, balkon ima kupatilo ti odjevece, to je zajedničko. They want barbecue also, which is 7. Who else is here? Edin.
I can show you.
Edin.
Yes.
Edilen.
So most of people like some tourists.
Dođite da jedeš, mi spremamo sve za tebe vašić.
Paraları
Bici,
topladın mı?
donijet ću 2-3 vodce piva, ako ti je malo to, pošto je više donesi.
Bu yeni arkadaş Bosna'dan geliyor. Saraybosna. Bu arkadaşın adı Edi. Kendisi Türk ama İngiltere'de yaşıyor.
Kardeş, with 3 euros, this is a million Turkish lira. Okay.
The money is important.
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey.
That's it. I'm going now.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
New people, probably from Durmitor.
Ah, new people. Sürekli yeni insanlar geliyor abi.
Yeah.
I'm gonna ask my friends because I have a problem. Yeah, I told you.
Hello, Kardesh.
Hello kardeş.
You wanna film this, yeah?
Yes. Looks very nice.
Zucchini, huh?
Zucchini is kabak in Turkish. Kabak.
Kabak.
And this is köfte.
Köfte.
Şu anda barbeküyü bekleyerek
What up, game guys?
hostelde basketbol oynuyoruz.
Nice. That was your winning point.
Ünlü YouTuber arkadaşımla beraber.
Güney Kore.
Canım benim.
Ben sen arkadaş.
Arkadaş, evet arkadaş. In Turkey they say, are you Muslim?
And
And then they fight you. I am very sorry for
okay.
that, man.
No problem.
I'm very sorry. Yeah.
So my
Sorry. But Turkish people are not like that.
Okay, I know.
They were just couple people. They were, I think, not very nice people.
I love Turkey.
He loves Turkey so much. Yeah.
Here?
Bu arkadaş Türkiye'yi çok seviyor.
Seni seviyorum.
Seni seviyorum.
nice.
Oh, nice.
1 point.
2 points.
Ah!
Oh, is it new game?
I don't know. You
Stupid.
guys want to play?
No, that's nice.
Again? I think we should make it harder. Like, yeah.
Maybe take
the
shot
two
Not
shots.
like
bit
here.
further back. Yeah.
Yeah.
So maybe like this
Put like a stick there was of them.
Johnny. Johnny Barker.
Here. Oh, there you go. Yeah.
Johnny.
Okay, that's the 2 point line. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so
Just pick one, the best one. Just pick one. Your favorite.
Harry,
Huh?
you're after me.
Sorry.
Gulaš.
Abi adam çok güzel yemekler pişiriyor bizim için. Ha? Kardeş.
Why you? Prepare. Respect.
Oh. Oh.
Nice.
You are good.
Lucky guy.
Hey, distraction.
Yalla. Yalla. Habibi.
Oh.
No way.
Oh, doing it all.
Eight.
Give up.
Yeah, good.
No more game. Ah!
Johnny. Nice. Finally.
Johnny kedileri hiç sevmiyor. Soframız hazır gibi.
Someone's not here.
You are the best chef.
You are the best chef in the kitchen.
You saved us going to prison today.
Yes. We now deported to Denmark.
Yes, to Denmark.
I can't believe what he did. I just can't believe. I can't believe that this kind of people exist.
Yeah, me too, kardeş.
Can't believe, bro.
Me too.
I can't believe. Anna,
I know, but I don't want to crush my fingers.
I'm gonna put it here and then we turn on here.
Cheers!
Yalla yalla.
Guys, photo.
Foto.
Tarawa!
He knows Korean numbers.
Just that one word?
Yeah. just come on.
Buradaki bardaklar kuru kafa şeklinde. Çünkü
Yalla,
burası
yalla,
pirate
yalla,
hostel.
yalla.
Yani korsan hosteli.
How do you say cheers in South Korean? Jan. Two J's.
And what about
Two
in
J's.
Turkish?
Two J's.
In Turkish it's
Can.
şerefe.
Ah, şerefe.
Şerefe.
Şerefe.
Yeah. You know that already.
Yeah, I know. Merhaba kanka. Güle güle. Hadi görüşürüz.
Kanka.
Hoş geldin.
Şerefe kanka.
Arkadaş.
Arkadaş.
Afiyet olsun.
Afiyet olsun. Hoş geldin arkadaş.
Soltbay. That guy from Turkey, right?
Who?
No, Soltbay. Like
Salt Bay.
Ah yeah. Nusret.
Nusret. You're all included.
Yeah.
4 euro. Yeah.
Everyone help
Arkadaşlar bu sofranın tamamı 4 euro. Sınırsız bira,
To do that,
köfte,
we have to
salata, ekmek
starting at the meat.
ve daha kabak ve biber gelecek.
Kebabi kanka.
Kebap. They call it kebap here, but we call it köfte kanka.
Sorry man. Türk değil mi?
Your girlfriend, isn't she Turkish?
Aha.
Yeah. What's her name?
Tamam.
Huh?
Pınar.
Pınar.
Pınar.
From
Ah.
Sakarya.
That's nice man.
Sen-
You have Turkish girlfriend.
Seni seviyorum Pınar.
Okay. Pınar, duy bak. Seni seviyor Pınar.
Pınar.
Hadi gidelim. Kahvaltı yapalım. Let's go have breakfast.
Hadi GG.
Kanka.
Kanka, arkadaş. Where is country?
Kanka, what is this?
Kanka. It's Karen man, my nickname. You know?
Yeah. You know, South Koreans love these kind of things.
Yeah.
Yeah. When I was in South Korea, I always saw that people love Hello Kitty and like
Hello
toys.
Kitty. It's from Japan, actually.
Japan.
Yeah, originally from Japan. Yeah. But we love it all and characters. It's crazy. I personally don't like it, but I love just carrot man.
Yeah, because you are carrot man.
Like, and look at my shirt.
Yeah, like carrot.
Look at my slipper. Everything's orange. Yeah, oh my god, crazy guy. Where are we heading to? Go to
We are going to a breakfast place.
Hadi gidelim man.
Hadi gidelim.
Hadi gidelim kanka.
Gidelim kanka.
Kanka.
Kanka, do you know any famous Turkish?
Turkish. In the history, there's one guy that called Atatürk.
Yes.
Atatürk Adam.
Atatürk Adam kanka.
I love him.
Yes.
He grew up like when after First War, and Ottoman Empire was fell down in the history. He saved this country, Ottoman Empire. He was a kind of hero of Turkey.
He made a new country for
New
us.
country, yeah. The man, woman is same. The fair.
Yes.
He made. He
Equal
created.
rights and
Yeah, right. Yeah.
he was very modern. He was very peaceful.
Yeah.
He made peace with a lot of countries.
Before I visit Turkey, first of all, I study Atatürk first because he was hero.
Did you go to Ankara?
Yeah, there's some Atatürk tombs, right?
Yeah.
And the city, but I was in the high viewpoint of the Ankara, and I saw the golden lights. Yeah. From there, so I never visit there. Yeah, I hope so one day. I will definitely go back to Turkey, and then I will go to Ankara, and then I will see.
A lot of famous people and presidents of the other countries go visit Atatürk's place. So also Elon Musk visited him.
Yeah. And then also when I visit Izmir, at the time was 10 September, I guess. I was prayed to Atatürk. There's a celebration day of the Atatürk.
10th of November?
10th of November, yeah.
Yeah, at 9 o'clock the lights
9 o'clock,
stops in
every
Turkey.
stop. No
Yeah,
traffic,
everyone
no
stops.
cafe, no restaurant. Yeah, no company.
It's not like praying, it's like respect.
Respect, yeah.
We stand still, complete silence.
Yeah.
This is our respect.
I was in Izmir. I don't remember what was it exactly, but yeah, I was in there and so many people see me. And you're from Korea? Yeah, I said I'm from Korea. Ah, Kanka, we're Arkadaş. Why you're here? I just want to respect. I want to show the respect to Atatürk. Yeah, in front of the statue, Atatürk statue, you know. Yeah. So yeah, it was
You're
nice.
great man.
I love Turkey.
Me too. I love South Korea. South Korea is great country. We are like brothers.
Brother, yeah, Arkadaş.
Abi ne oluyor burada anlamadım. Geçen gün söylemişlerdi, liseliler okuldan mezun olmalarını kutluyorlarmış. Arkadaşlar liseden mezun olmalarını kutluyorlar. Ulan biz de liseden mezun olduk da hiç böyle bir kutlama yapmamıştık. Yani şu anda liseden mezun olanlar nasıl kutlama yapıyorlar Türkiye'de bilmiyorum ama Karadağ'da böyle abi. Adamlar çok mutlular liseden mezun oldukları için. Şimdi ben terminale gidiyorum. Çünkü bugün artık Ulçin'den ayrılıyorum. Ve Karadağ'ın başka bir şehri Kotor'a gidiyorum. Kotor çok ünlü bir şehir. Oradan videolara devam edeceğim. Şimdi otobüse bineyim. Sonra tekrar görüşeceğiz. Otobüse bindim. 9 euroydu bilet. 1 euro da bagaj parası aldı adam.
Life's a coat of many colors. It is never black and white. Can't have one without the other. The dark without the light. In the summer we were lovers. With the flame our hearts would burn. A flame the autumn would smother and leave this heart to yearn.